Hello everyone and welcome back to Rice Fix. And in this video we will see how to top up your power steering fluid. So this is your car engine bay, guys. Now inside of your engine bay there are many types of fluids which you guys know already. For example, this is the brake fluid. If you open this cap, then inside of this reservoir you can see brake fluid which you can top up from here. Now this brake fluid comes in many types. As you guys can see, this is like red color. You even get transparent color. So first you will have to find out what fluid your car is designed for. Based on that, you will have to go in your local market and buy that fluid and keep it ready. Then this is your engine casing. If you open this cap, then from this side you can put oil in your engine. Now when you are putting oil in your engine, you will have to keep in mind two things, and those are your engine is designed for what type of engine oil and how much oil goes inside of your engine. Then if you come on the side here and if you open this cover, then you can top up your engine coolant here. You will have to buy the coolant from the local market and you will have to top it up here. Now coolant also comes in two types, guys. One is concentrated and one is diluted. The diluted one you can directly pour into this, but the concentrated one you will have to mix it with water first and then put inside of this reservoir. Then from there your coolant goes to the radiator, and this is the radiator cap. Now guys, thing to note, never open this radiator cap when your engine is hot, because high heat steam comes out from here which can burn you down. So remember that. Then there is another cap here and a reservoir which is slightly broken, but inside of this goes your wiper fluid which you will easily get in the local market. You just have to mix it with water and pour it inside of this reservoir. Now I have shown you all these things first because, guys, like how you top up all these things, similarly you will have to top up your power steering fluid. Now let's go to the power steering fluid reservoir, and this is my power steering fluid reservoir. You just have to open it like this and you will have to top up your power steering fluid right here. Now in some cars you will not see this reservoir of the power steering fluid. That is because, guys, on that car the power steering is electronic power steering. So if in your engine bay there is no power steering fluid, then don't worry. What it means is your car has an electronic power steering. Now while topping up the fluid, see that you be careful and don't overfill the reservoir, otherwise it can overflow. On this reservoir, guys, there is a marking on the side right here which shows the minimum level and the maximum level. Based on that you will have to top it up till the maximum level. So guys, I'm hoping that you have understood how to top up your power steering fluid. You only have to open the cap like this and fill it with the fluid that is designed for your car. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.